Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sore Fingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is a bit of light-hearted fun, okay? Nothing too serious. It's a great party song from Astley called Never Gonna Give You Up, okay? Really great for family get-togethers and sitting around a campfire with your mates, having a few bevies, that sort of thing, you know what I mean? So, standard tuning. Capo on the first fret puts us into the same key that Rick Astley originally recorded the song in. So without more to do, I'm going to go through the song now, hopefully without too many mistakes, and then I shall break it down and show you how I did it, and you should be good to go too, okay? Not that difficult, this one. Singing will be for reference only, okay? So here we go. Strangers who love, you know the rules and so do I. For commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gonna make you understand. Gonna give you up, they're gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. They're gonna make you cry, they're gonna say goodbye. They're gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. And if you ask me how I'm feeling, I'll tell you to try to see. You down, they're gonna run around and desert you. They're gonna make you cry, they're gonna say goodbye. They're gonna tell a lie, hurt you. They're gonna let you down, they're gonna let you down. They're gonna run around and desert you. They're gonna make you cry, they're gonna say goodbye. They're gonna tell a lie, hurt you. Too shy to say it. Inside we both knew what's going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gonna make you understand. They're gonna give you up, they're gonna let you down. They're gonna turn around and desert you. They're gonna make you cry, they're gonna say goodbye. They're gonna tell a lie. They're gonna run around and desert you. They're gonna make you cry. They're gonna say goodbye. They're gonna tell a lie, hurt you. Something like that, okay? Well, you can carry on doing a load more verses and carol choruses if you so wish, but that's the basic song, okay? So let's get to it. So the introduction. There's only 4 chords in the song, okay? I'll just show you them first. First is an F major 7th. So that's an F chord. I'm using 4 fingers, so you get a little bit more depth, okay? So I'm playing both the 3rd fret of the 5th string and the 4th string there, okay? And the top string is open. Top E open, F major 7th, strings 5 down to 1, okay? Then you've got a straightforward G. You can use a bar chord G if you so wish, but I'm just playing the F-shape G with 4 fingers. Then we've got basically an A minor 7th, barring on the 5th fret from the capo, and single finger, 3rd finger on the 7th fret from the capo on the 5th string. Okay, A minor 7th. You can play it down here, but I think it sounds better if you play the A minor 7th there. And the last chord is an E minor 7th, which is on the 7th fret from the capo, minor shape, bar chord, 7th fret, with pinky off. Okay, minor shape, 7th fret, pinky off. And again, I'm playing from 5 down to 1. I'm not generally playing that 6th string. Okay, those are the 4 chords in the song. So it's basically F major 7th, G, A minor 7th, and an E minor 7th. Okay, the way I play it. This is my take on it. I'm not saying it's 100%, but it's my take on it. Okay, so the introduction, basically the gist behind the intro is that sort of thing. Okay, so it's F major 7th to G. Okay, and you stay on G, and then you go from G to A minor 7th, and then so it's got that. So it's and then go back to the F major 7th, back to the G, and then the second time round we play a quick. Played an E minor 7th fret, that minor shape with the pinky off, and then to the A minor 7th. Okay, second time round. Okay, so first time round, second time round, first time round repeats. Okay, second time round, got that. Just to repeat that, so first time around F major 7th to G, and then G to A minor 7th. Second time round F major 7th to G, and then it goes up to E minor 7th to A minor 7th, and then it repeats the first one again, F major 7th to G, G to A minor 7th, and then second time round again F major 7th to G, and then E minor 7th to A minor 7th. So I'll just go through the whole thing slowly, okay? Okay, so that's the intro. Just that whole thing, just twice, that sequence twice, okay? And then we come into the verse, and the verse basically is just F major 7th to G, backwards and forwards. Okay, so it goes, comes out of that, the introduction. I'll just go for the introduction, I'll do the first few lines of the verse, okay? So here comes the verse. You're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. For commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. Okay, so it's just F major 7th to G, backwards and forwards. Okay, and the pre-chorus is exactly the same. I just want to tell you how I'm feeling. Gonna make you understand. Okay, got that? So let's just go through that again. We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. For commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand, okay? And then we get to the chorus, never gonna give you up, and that's exactly the same as the intro. Okay, so what we played on the intro is the chord sequence, exactly. So, never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna let you down and desert you, except it's a bit more stabby, okay? Desert you, it's exactly the same. First time round, never gonna give you F major 7th to G, give you up, never gonna G to A minor 7th, let you down, back to F major 7th to G, down, E minor 7th to A minor 7th, down, gonna da 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 da. Got that? Very slowly. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna da 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 da. Got that right? So that's, and then we go back into the second verse, and it's exactly the same to play as the first verse. Funny enough. So we've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to say it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. Pre-chorus is exactly the same, just the same two chords. And if you ask me how I feel, then don't tell me you're too blind to see. Then we go into the chorus again, which is exactly the same as the first chorus, but there's two lots. The chorus is repeated. Okay, so it's gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Repeat the whole lot. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Then we go into the middle refrain bit, and that's just F major 7 to G again. Ooh, give you up. Ooh, give you up. And you can do the same for the next bit as well if you so like. It's like never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you up. But I like to give it a little bit more on that never gonna give. I like to strum along with the feeling of the words. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you up. I prefer that myself, but it's up to you. You can keep it simple. So that comes again, coming out of that into the bridge section. Ooh, F major 7 to give you up. G, F major 7, ooh, G, give you up. G, F major 7, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you up. Okay, so what I'm doing is never gonna give you up. Slow down. Never gonna give you up. Okay, so you do that twice, and then it's back into another verse again, which is exactly the same to play as all the other verses. F major 7 to G, F major 7 to G. We've known each other for so long. Your heart's been aching, but you're too shy to see it. Inside we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. The chorus exactly the same. I just wanna know how you're feeling. Gonna make you understand. Chorus exactly the same as usual. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna realize and hurt you. And then you can just repeat the choruses until you're fed up playing it and singing it, and just stop sometime. Because he fades out, of course, on the record. Easy way out, okay? But that's it. So hopefully you and your mates will enjoy that sing-along. Thanks a lot for watching and listening. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.